Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking and Heikin ASHI, Reverse Engulfing candles. Yep, on the 1 minute chart. That's what we do. Well, we look at the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly all at the same time. But we trade on the 1 minute chart. And Thinkorswim has really got a lot of options for traders. I believe that the Thinkorswim is probably one of the best charting systems available for any trader, unless you're going to start paying huge money, and it's free if your brokerage is Schwab. You can have Thinkorswim and all the things that they have to offer to help you with your charting. Now, Grandpa has managed to make his Japanese candles look extremely pretty. And I say I like Heikin ASHI Japanese candles. They're not like a normal candle. A Japanese Heikin ASHI candle takes into account the previous candle or so, depending on the chart you're in. And what it does is it smooths it out so you have less bear flags and less bull flags. And the higher time frame that you go in, for instance, the less bull flags and bear flags you'll see. Okay, well, let's quickly go back to the 1 minute. Oh man, it keeps going back to the closed around 213.80 is where it closed. So it eliminates a lot of these bear flags like in the 1 minute. And as you go up the line to like the 15 minute, it eliminates even more. It shows you that these were only indecision candles. This last Friday, was just atrocious. Absolute $1.50 range, dollar range, all the way up till about 1 o'clock when it finally broke and took off upward. And she was just nasty. We gave it up about noon. We should have probably stuck it out. We would have had a beautiful buy signal here in this 15 minute. But that for a start out in the day, that was about as bad as Grandpa's seen in a long time. But it ended up doing over a $7 range, but only because 207.03 was the low, and it went up almost to 214. So $6.75.80 was the range, which is okay. So Grandpa's going to show you how to apply Japanese candles, Heikin ASHI, to your chart. If you don't know, and maybe you do, maybe you don't, but I'm going to show you. See this gear icon? You see where buy market is? Right above that is a gear icon. You click that gear icon, and you're going to have some different choices: general, price axis, time axis, favorite time frames, appearance, equities, options, futures, forex. And over time, you're going to find out that all these are important for you to set up your proper charting and stuff, in Grandpa's opinion. But so you click here on appearance, and you're going to get to the appearance chart. And once you're on appearance, I have mine set on Heikin ASHI, obviously, but you can click the drop-down bar because you're probably not going to be on Heikin ASHI. And you can pick bar candles, regular candles, candle trend, Heikin ASHI, line, area, and equity volume. Them are your choices. And Grandpa likes Heikin ASHI. And so that's what we do. And then after you do that, you want to get yourself some pretty candles. Grandpa likes pretty candles. So if you want to keep your ugly candles, you go right ahead. But if you want to make them pretty, here's border up, border down. That's the wicks. Doji, I like to have it white. Fill it up with this pretty green color. Fill it down with that pretty, whatever color it is Grandpa's got, if it's pinkish purple or I don't know what it is for sure. I have show wicks clicked, and to change the color, all you have to do is click on, let's click on border up, for instance. So you click on the color, it'll give you color choices, but you can go down here. Once you click on a color of a box, you can go down here and click more, and it'll give you all the colors in the rainbow. And this is the one that Grandpa likes for his beautiful green candles. I like that color. And up here in the left corner up here is the brightest white you can get on Thinkorswim. So you've got just a massive array of colors that you can choose from, and that's makes it nice. I removed my volume chart from the bottom of the screen. I don't like it on there. And in order to do that, I think it's, well, okay, it's not Forex, it's not future, it might be futures. You go to futures and you unclick show volume subgraph, and it will disappear. And if you want it back, you click it and click apply and OK, and it'll come back. And I have it off in options also. Show volume subgraph, I have unclick it. You don't need to unclick it in Forex to get rid of it. So I have it unclicked in equities too. I don't want it to come up, so I unclick it wherever I see it, because I don't want a volume subgraph popping up and ruining Grandpa's day. You know, I don't. Grandpa keeps his charts extremely simple. What I currently have on here, and I don't even really utilize any of them other than I have fun with them. It's just for fun. And that's basically it. I put very little stock in any of these other indicators. I trade off of my candles 99 9/10 and a little bit extra because I read the candles in the Heikin ASHI, and that's how you can make $300 in an hour or less basically every single day if you know what you're doing, and Grandpa does. So this blue line, for instance, the dotted one is the 50 moving average, simple moving average. Grandpa don't do nothing complicated, remember. The yellow dotted line is the 200 moving average. And right here, where it crossed from the bottom side going up, was what's called a golden cross. So we got a golden cross at that point. and it went over, and it went back down. Did we cross up through again? Did I miss something? Nope, I'm sorry. Let's follow that golden cross in a 1 minute. Now, in a 1 minute chart, a golden cross will take you as little as 40 cents. I've seen as little as 40 cents, and I have seen as much as $12.70 on a golden cross. Now, this is nasty because she came here and gave us a death cross in the 1 minute. And straight down below that is all that thing was worth. 208.75 to where it hit, 209.34. 70 cent, 75 cent death cross. And look what it did. It went over here and gave us another golden cross after that death cross. And I've noticed that this thing is susceptible in the 1 minute chart to doing this. I've seen it several times now. Grandpa likes to watch patterns. So, but when she does that, the second time when that golden cross comes, that's when you usually get the real run. And where did it go from there? Let's see. 209.50, and she went up, 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 up to 14.65. That's $5.15 golden cross, people. So, but you know, Grandpa has fun with it. I like to watch it. I don't trade it because I don't need to trade it. Grandpa likes to be out of the market within 1 hour of the open. I might do a live stream till 11 o'clock, but that don't mean I'm trading. And you can watch some of my previous live streams, and I just did one today even that talks about the ins and outs of that. So, okay, so now hopefully, remember this gear icon right here, that's the one you click. Click on appearance, and you can change the color, you can change your cursor, how you want your cursor to function, and all that sort of wonderful stuff. Click apply, okay, and you're in business. And I'm going to start doing some of these Thinkorswim live streams. It was so that you can learn how different things function on Thinkorswim that were extremely hard for Grandpa to learn and find out. I made many phone calls to tech support over the years finding this stuff out, and to be truthful, my memory ain't that good. You know, Grandpa might make money on some trading in the early morning because I could read these candles, but you know, well, for example, today earlier I was going to tell people how to. What was I going to tell them to do? Like I say, Grandpa can't remember. But anyway, this gear, GTC EXT and TIF. I was going to tell them I did a live stream on that. And that's that little gear icon over there. And you got to get this TIF from over here, put it over there, click OK, and then you can trade after hours. So that's that gear icon. That's what that does. And you've got these boxes here, and Grandpa ain't the best at those boxes, but if you click these boxes, you can click 2 boxes, 4 boxes, 16 boxes, or 20, whatever it is, and You can clutter your chart to no end. Grandpa has one box because Grandpa's not that smart. Grandpa keeps stuff simple, uh, and that's just the way it is. Oh, I think Jeff is leaving me. Oh, I wonder what state he's in. You must follow Grandpa's instruction. Don't do what I did, he says. Oh, he's such a sweetheart. Grandpa's going to leave him a heart if I can find him. I hate these emojis because... Oh, I went past... There they are. What color heart do you want there, Mr. Mom? I'm going to send him a red one and a green one and a blue one. Oh, man, he's going to really like that. So Grandpa managed to do that for him in chat. I typed to him, but I can't type more than about... Most people type words per minute. Grandpa types letters per minute, and that ain't very many letters either. Okay, so hope this was helpful. I'm gonna do a few more of these. There's different little things that you want to know, like where, just little things that can, you want to know your system. If you're going to be able to trade, whether it's Heikin ASHI on your phone. If you have a phone and you're looking at your chart and trying to trade and think you're on Heikin ASHI, and it's happened. My son has Heikin ASHI on his phone candles. But he did. I do not, but I don't trade off of my phone. Looking at that. But you can get Heikin ASHI candles on your phone. You'd probably have to call Schwab's tech support, Thinkorswim's tech support, to find out how to do it on your mobile phone, whether you have a Droid or an Apple, but it is doable. It's doable, and if you're going to trade Heikin ASHI, you better have a Heikin ASHI chart. If you're listening to Grandpa at all, you got to have the same candles, or you're going to be looking at something that's bizarre. You're not in. It's nothing. No signs. The reverse engulfing is Grandpa's bread and butter. It really is. Okay, well, think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does. See you later. See you out. Be careful out there, Jeff. He's out trucking. I think he was in Abilene, Texas earlier today, and Ed's on his way to Florida. I know that. So you guys be careful out there. Grandpa will hold down the fort. Think about eternity. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.